Looking for unforgettable stories where love battles betrayal and destinies collide. From heart-wrenching secrets to passionate revenge, these Turkish dramas go far beyond ordinary romance. Every tale is soaked in emotions, and you can watch them all with English subtitles. So get ready for the top 10 best storyline Turkish drama series 2025. At number 10 we have Ujak Sahir, and its English name is Distant City. The story of this drama revolves around Alia Albora, a woman who travels to Mardin with her son to fulfill her late husband's last wish. But what begins as a journey of closure becomes a nightmare when the powerful Sihan Albora refuses to let her leave with her child. In this gripping tale of resistance and power, will Alia ever escape the city that holds her hostage? To witness a mother's silent rebellion, watch this unforgettable story. At number 9, it's Baska Bir Gun, which means another day in English. This intense mystery is based on the story of Hira, a successful lawyer who left her career behind to become a full-time mother. Her peaceful life shatters when her husband, Sardar, disappears without a trace, leaving behind unanswered questions and buried secrets. As Hira fights to uncover the truth, she discovers that the man she loved may never have existed at all. To discover how far one woman can go in search of truth, dive into this mystery. At number 8, we have Kenboku, known in English as Life Debt. This drama is about Mehmet, a lawyer trying to mend ties with his daughter, Dua, after years of distance. But as they reconnect, family wounds reopen, and hidden affairs come to light, especially Sardar's betrayal with Jalal. Will love be enough to keep them together, or will the past tear them apart? To find out if broken families can truly heal, this drama is a must-watch. At number 7 is Zembili, the Mystic. The story here revolves around a mysterious man named Zembili, who carries a deep connection with the spiritual world. As supernatural events unfold, the line between reality and the unseen blurs, and ancient secrets begin to resurface. This is not just a story, it's an experience. To step into a world of mystery and meaning, let Zembili guide your path. At number 6, we present Sakir Pasa Elesi, or Portrait of a Scandalous Family. This compelling story follows a noble yet scandal-ridden Ottoman family. Secrets hidden for generations unravel, exposing betrayal, forbidden love, and dangerous ambition. Every character carries a shadow, and every decision carries a cost. To witness how legacy and lies collide, this series will pull you in. At number 5, it's Sahib Sizzler, The Abandoned Ones. The story of this drama is based on 6 orphaned siblings who flee their traumatic past and move to Istanbul in search of safety. But instead of peace, they face the brutal reality of survival in a city that offers no mercy. Together, they fight to stay united in a world that wants to tear them apart. To follow their powerful journey of survival, don't miss this one. At number 4, we have Annem Ankara, which means My Mother Ankara. This touching drama centers around a woman who returns to Ankara after decades away, only to uncover family secrets she never knew existed. As the past and present collide, she rediscovers not just her roots, but herself. A gentle, emotional journey of homecoming and healing. To feel the warmth of memory and motherhood, let this drama speak to your heart. At number 3 is Karal Kebiders, or If the King Loses. This story is about Kanan Barnagar, a powerful man whose marriage to Nadan is full of betrayal and manipulation. But everything changes when a poor girl named Fadia enters their lives, challenging power with vulnerability. The fight for control is on, but who will come out on top? To see how kings can fall when love arrives, don't skip this tale. At number 2, we bring you Cardlinler, Snowdrops. The story revolves around Hizran and Arif, whose 50-year marriage begins to crumble due to their children's greed and selfishness. A heartbreaking reunion leads to a tragic incident, and Hizran must pick up the pieces of a broken family. Can old love survive in a new world? To see love tested across generations, this one will leave a mark. Finally, at number 1 is Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, known in English as Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. This is the story of Ali and Seher, two young lovers who begin as schoolmates fighting oppression, only to be dragged into Istanbul's brutal mafia underworld. As they rise through the criminal ranks, they face a deeper question: are we born into crime, or does society make us criminals? A gripping tale of choices, justice, and lost innocence. To witness how love survives the darkest corners of society, this is the drama you can't miss. Which one gave you chills? Let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gripping Turkish drama pics with English subtitles always.